Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Jeffrey Angelo, 17 years old. I was born on May 14, 1991. Presently residing at Dumalag, Ilocos Norte. I'm 50 kilograms and 5'4" tall. I graduated at Dumalag Elementary School and in secondary, Dumalag National High School. I finished my secondary level at National School and now I'm presently studying at Northwestern University. I I'm taking up Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. I love listening music. I am also a varsity player in Sepak Takraw and also a member of APGM. Uh, If you want to know more about me, you can call or text on my city number 0929-86-900-97 or you can send me an email at jeffreyangelo@yahoo.com. Thank you so much.